Dear learners, greetings. I am Dr. Seema Rani, Assistant Professor from the School of Social Work, Indira Gandhi, National Open University. I welcome you to the course Human Growth, Behavior and Counseling, and I am the course coordinator for this course. If you are passionate to build your career in social work, counseling, health and mental health setting, this course will provide you the comprehensive understanding about human growth, behavior and counseling. This course consists of blocks and units which are meticulously and comprehensively designed to explain human growth and development, behavioral theory, developmental stage across the lifespan, basic psychology and counseling. So this course consists of 4 blocks: process of growing up, human growth and development, basic of psychology for social workers, basic of counseling. So the first block introduced the reproductive system of male and female and functioning of reproductive system, early and later stages of human growth. It also discussed the youth concerns. The second block explains human growth and development, theories of personality development, and the third block explains the basic psychological concept like defense mechanism, normalities and abnormalities in human behavior and their relevance in counseling and social work practice. The fourth block exclusively describes the counseling skills, its relevance and process. It also explains various techniques in counseling like supportive, cognitive, behavioral, psychoanalytical, and practical issues which are involved in counseling are also discussed in details. After completing this course, the learners will be able to understand human growth, behavior, and development across the lifespan. They will be able to critically analyze different behavioral theories. They will be able to describe how different behaviors emerge simultaneously with the growth and development of human beings. They will be able to relate behavior influencing factors including culture, relationship, ecosystem, and genetics. The learners will be able to develop an understanding on basic concepts of psychology and their relevance. The learners will be learning counseling skills, its process, and various techniques involved in counseling. They will be able to apply counseling skills in education settings, mental health, social work, and other private settings. The learners finally will be able to analyze different personalities and determining factors and how heredity and environment plays a vital role in forming personalities. So the overview of this course is, this course has equal relevance for the learners of psychology and social work also, because both these disciplines deals with components of human personalities, human nature and needs, human abilities, behavior and problems. And both disciplines have their own ways of tackling human problems, whether physical, mental or social. So the eligibility criteria for this course will be the students who have completed 10+2 or equivalent examination from a recognized board are eligible to pursue this course. And learners, there is no age limit to pursue this course and students from any stream can apply for this course. So the learners, let's join hands together. I hope you will enjoy this online learning with us. Wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Have a good day. Thank you.